Bay leaf tea is a fragrant herbal infusion made from the dried or fresh leaves of the bay laurel tree, Laurus nobilis. It has been used for centuries for its potential health benefits, including aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and supporting immunity. How to make bay leaf tea using whole leaves. Add 3 to 5 dried bay leaves to 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil and let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Using ground leaves. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of dried ground bay leaves to boiling water. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain before drinking. Enhancements. You can add honey, lemon, cinnamon, or ginger to enhance the flavor and benefits. Would you like to know more about its specific health benefits? Bay leaf tea offers several potential health benefits, making it a popular herbal remedy. Here are some of its key advantages. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bay leaves contain compounds like eugenol and cineole, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Digestive support. Drinking bay leaf tea can aid digestion, relieve bloating, and soothe an upset stomach. Immune system boost. Rich in vitamins A, B6, and C, bay leaves may help strengthen the immune system. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that bay leaf tea may help lower blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting those with type 2 diabetes. Antioxidant benefits. Bay leaves contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and support overall health. Making bay leaf tea is simple and rewarding. Here's a basic recipe. Ingredients: 3 to 5 dried bay leaves or fresh ones, 2 cups of water. Optional: honey, lemon, cinnamon, or ginger for extra flavor. Instructions: boil the water. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a pot. Add bay leaves. Drop the bay leaves into the boiling water. Simmer, reduce the heat, and let the leaves steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain, remove the bay leaves, and pour the tea into a cup. Enhance. Add honey, lemon, or spices if desired. Enjoy. Sip and relax with your soothing bay leaf tea.